May I come in, ma'am? May I go to the store? May I drink water? Please, oh, mummy, oh, mama. Please, oh, mummy, water, water. I laid my dinner. I laid my dinner. I laid my breakfast. I was sleeping, waking up, bedsheet, washing, going, coming, running, sitting, standing, praying, pushing, pulling, reading, writing, sewing, scratching, praying. Happy morning, mummy. Happy morning, daddy. Mummy, I want chocolate. Mummy, I want biscuit. Mummy, I want leather. Daddy, I want sharpener. Daddy, I want pencil box. Mummy, I want pencil. Daddy, I want note. Where's your bag, mummy? Where's your lunch bag, mummy? Where's your slipper, mummy? Where's your shoe, mummy?